Hey guys, welcome back. My second video during the quarantine period is chocolate cupcakes. From now on, I'll try and post more often. To support me, like, subscribe and follow me on my socials. There's no excuse, I know you're bored. Go on, just do it.
Just do it!
Anyway, let's get on with the video. You're gonna need 65 grams of butter, 65 grams of caster sugar, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 65 grams of flour, a quarter teaspoon of bicarb, an egg, and an eighth teaspoon of vanilla. First, put the sugar and butter in a bowl and whisk till creamy. Then, sieve the flour and whisk again. Finally, add the rest of the ingredients and combine till needed. Line your tray with 6 cupcake cases and spoon your batter inside. Place in the oven for 20 minutes at 160 degrees. Out of the oven and they're looking rich in flavour and fluffy in texture. You can also see the height in the cupcake as well. I added some chocolate buttercream to the top. If you want to know how to make the buttercream, the link will be in the description. But to make the chocolate bit, add 40 grams of cocoa powder. I'm going to top it off with some gold sprinkles, then I'm going to make you all jealous by taking a bite. It has a delicate taste and the creamy icing is cherry on top. Here's what yours could look like when you try my recipe. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Happy quarantine. Bye.